Rian! Rian!
Huh?
No, mommy, why you do that?
Run!
There's that view.
It's just
Oh, there's that view over there, girl. What you mean? That's
no man a beard.
Alright, that's what included.
This is parish.
St. Thomas?
Yeah. Over here, so them building new complex with the KFC and stuff like that. Oh my gosh. No, there's nothing over there. It's places to shop and stuff like that, man. There's no kind of building here. Something.
There's a mountain instead. Don't get faked in.
Whoa!
Oh God,
We're in Portland.
that's all.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Okay, I should rate the views.
Yeah,
They're all a 10 for me.
not yet. You have to wait until you see more.
Oh my goodness! When I see more,
Yeah.
oh my gosh! Oh my! Wow!
Got the wheels around us, huh?
Oh my
Got
gosh!
the wheels here.
I'm a tourist in my own
That's
country.
what sorry for the
Mommy, rate that.
That's a 10. Yeah, you're such a hater right now. You're a hater right now. But
10?
yes. What you man? So you know weird, sir? You just pull out in the road, sir?
Welcome to Washington.
You're ugly like.
Drive out in the road. Look at the houses. I'm not. Oh my God, no, I'm crazy. She's a man. I don't want to.
Go on over side. Leave it back.
Right away.
I'm gonna stop walking next to me. We're here. It's wet, but the rain fell. You can see that some time ago, not long ago, but yeah. We're in Portland. This is so beautiful. Hello, sir. Hello. Yes, pretty girl. No, leave it. No, close it. Yeah. And we carry food for cook, cause yeah, why not? So the plan was to roast breadfruit with salt, fish, and I carry ackee as well. I'm not sure. if we're gonna do ackee and saltfish or just saltfish. But husband didn't follow me and carry the and buy the breadfruit from town. So now all the way we took the scenic route. So Kingston, St. Thomas, Portland, people, straight carpet will drive all the way to Portland. So he didn't follow me. He's like, come on babe, we're going to Portland. We'll find breadfruit on the way. Guys, it's drizzling. Rain a come. Rain. 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 Run! Now you fall. Ted, come take up a coal. Take up a coal. Go back in the car, T. Go in the car. We came prepared.
Yeah, that's my
Tarp.
You can still use some. We have a lot.
You hungry?
food.
You not hungry? Me hungry. Me not follow you and say me not hungry. Me a dead for hungry. Yes, baby?
You can sell sticks. Use sticks like that one.
Sticks.
Yeah, like that stick. It's not even raining. It's just
Don't
a
put your
tree.
finger on it. Hold. This way, turn this way, right? This. Heavy.
What?
That big one there, we have.
Mommy.
Baby, can you carry my bag for me?
Careful, Daddy.
I know, right? So, baby, you look like I sell man, they sell food. Yeah. Oh, no, this is just slow jump to far. Huh?
Put on the crop talking.
I am making.
Rain is coming back down. Come, baby. Ah, you like it?
Yeah, I like the water. Can I get the towel?
What perfume?
Sit here. And can I get my phone?
Like, since the rain is coming back down, you probably need to go in the car. What? Tea. Hey. Hey. So, pata bubble. Bubble. The dogs? Well, no. Dogs love that, baby. I run out of Ian?
That is the one in goggles. Any more soap in there, something.
guys, look at this. It's so beautiful. Woo.
Christina.
Deep man, babes. Oi, don't go too far,
Come
yeah?
no further than I deep.
Don't go no further than this side deep. See which part your father the right there, sir? Don't pass this, sir. That deep. You cold? Oi, you cold? I'm coming. I'm coming.
Cold, yes.
Oh, it tastes nice.
You hungry? Eh? Me not cut out that out of video just so you know. So any one of your friends then watch it, I go hear what you say. It's okay. It's okay.
Deep. Something that sting me.
Well,
They look like them trees. So.
watch out, play one play.
Then go to where them February washing in the water. We're listening to the food.
She didn't call to me.
Huh?
She never called to me. You think me have water here so to wash it?
Can I wash it? Can I
No,
wash it?
them kind of stainy.
I
I
need
want
my
that tonight. Them kind of stainy, baby. You don't want it stain up your hand. Shirley?
I'm near you.
Ah! You're not fish.
Baby, come get me something there and pick off the cover off my pot for me, please.
You want everything here, yes?
Huh?
I'm leaving tea for you.
Okay. Use this that thing that do not rest it there, so come rest it here, so.
Damn. I want to get a water, but
So one the pan top I sit now with a beer open.
you put the kitchen.
One the pan top I. Oh,
Dad, come here.
that cute.
What?
The head.
Come here, I heard you.
Mm-hmm.
So Is it hungry?
More than likely, but
Eat some saltfish.
I don't want you walking close to the fire. You hear me? Oh, you give me every Friday.
Yeah, you have to say your scan. Put it on right here. Right here. Get down there. Something a bit happy. Without throwing it away.
Come on.
Put it here. Now it's up with the salty. You want do you want something to sit down on?
No, I'm finished.
Huh?
No, baby.
Better just sit and sleep.
You sure? You need them under pressure? Come to the kitchen. Hungry, is it?
I'm gonna kill me.
Me too.
You too? I'm starving.
I want dinner, not snack.
You hear? She want dinner. Ooh. Where she want to go? Why am I sweating? And the rain just done falling. Sitting. It's not on the seat. Oh, look on the front seat if it's on the front seat. You don't find it? Okay. Careful. You almost fall?
Yeah.
You have to be careful and look what you're doing. You're not going to your dad?
I'll fix the room.
I'll fix it for you. Just give me a second.
Wait, I fixed it.
Okay. Look where you're walking, please. See Raina come back down. Where you going?
Watch me, guys.
This mosquito bite me.
You did not. This morning when we were, where were we? When there was this guy who.
Okay, gas station.
Yeah, so I never buy sweet pepper.
But I come out and I look me see into.
Oh.
Me see when me.
Did I get bitten by mosquito?
Yeah. You're itching? Yeah. Maybe it's that thing scratch. That's why I told you to put it down. If it breaks, if it starts to break, and then you scratch it your skin. Look in my door. There's a little pink bottle. Bring it home.
You have alcohol in there, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, food almost ready. Come touch. Carry your plate, come mama. Where's my pretty girl?
Right here. I'm not much of a big eater. I only eat small.
You know what's weird?
Here. Let me give you a fork.
Yeah, let me stop.
Tavir, rate the food.
Food is so good.
Look what she's eating, by the way. This is what she's eating. Rate the food. Good, baby. Okay. I'm gonna have my food now.
Yeah.
Yum.
So good. Potato nice.
Let us be potato. I know more surface.
You need the potato? You want which one?
Saving the best for last.
You want more? Oh no, pretty girl. I know you don't want any more because but you could show you up and you can't do it.
I'm not much of an eater. I'm not a big back.
Oh my god.
I'm not a big back and I'm eating.
She said big back. Why?
Why?
So Tajari. Eh? Oops.
You know what? They seem pretty stuff.
Push up this leg, my baby. Push up this leg. Hold on.
You know what? They seem kind
Come,
of.
let it go.
Let it go, Pops. You know, take time and eat, you know.
That almost fell on me.
No.
My reflex, see spoon on this one.
That almost fell on me. Thank you.
Where you eat no starfish with Tajari?
One.
You don't have no food in your plate. Where you eat starfish with? See now? Don't take out no more. Because you don't have no food to eat with starfish with. You have food. Leave the food with the starfish and eat it. So mommy have hope of food over there.
The food when we having is meat.
The boy you want can't just eat meat. You eat other food already. Huh?
No, mommy, why you do that?
What? Let's do this. Boom. Move!
Yo, move.
Don't pay that, no man. Give that to the boom.
Yo, move.
Put that in.
Like I said, play fruit juice.
In there.
Do some of that first.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
You have to come take out it. Taj, make Taj take it up, mama.
I got it.
Steady. When I let you go back when you were busy.
Here. Put there.
This is so good. You go to the table, but I think I get food now.
Mommy, no.
Look, you don't know what this is here. You see something there move.
You see something I move? Oops,
I'm not playing my what?
Oh, so I'm at the point, see something I move so that you can look away. Pine and ginger.
So they just want to hear me something very full.
Nothing in this for eat.
Ooh,
What do you want?
thank you.
Take up a 9 cup now. So we can throw the juice here. Why you hold the cup so low?
Like 2 cups. I have 2 cups.
Put this back in our igloo.
Second.
Seconds what?
Chad, I saw your face and you didn't like it. You don't like
A belly
nothing
pack.
healthy.
This one fish.
Cats don't like nothing healthy. Don't like sweet.
So why you not drinking the juice?
It's a lot of rain, other times it's very dry.
We're heading back home, y'all.
Yeah, we're heading back home.
We're heading back home. We had a good day.
And
We
there's
had a
some
good
people-
time.
There's a certain person who's still hungry.
Yeah, Todd's still hungry. But we had a good time and we're heading back home. No what?
That wasn't a good time.
What? What do you mean?
My hand you got to be in the water.
Girl, that water is too cold for you.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god.